In this video, we will show you how to set up a few data elements which will be created to form the data layer in AEM through DTM and the analytics tool to actually ingest that and send it to your analytics server. So the first things first, we need to set up some data rules. So to do that, go into the rules section, click on data elements. Once you're in there, we'll create a new data element. The new data element name, let's say page name, because we want to capture the page name. We'll make sure there's a custom script involved in this. And open the editor. Let me get the custom script which you want to type in for this. It's a pretty simple one. It's page name. So it's a very simple, straightforward one where we get the Windows location.path name, which is the way to get the page name for the page which you're viewing. Make sure you get the page name and replace any colon or things like that with a slash and put the page name. Save and close. Once you've created that, you're almost ready to save this so that this will become a script which will be loaded every time by DTM on your pages. So once you're ready, you press Save Data Element. So just to quickly highlight what we did in the page name script. The script we used here to generate the page name takes the path of the page and transforms it into a page name by removing the leading slash and the .html extension and replacing all the other slash with a semicolon, or a colon actually. This is the default page name that is also used by AEM to retrieve reporting data about a page from analytics. If we choose to use another page name, this also used to be applied in AEM, either in mapping another property to a page name or by providing your own implementation. So that's all it does. So now that you've created your data element, next thing is basically to create your analytics tool. Go back to your overview, add a new tool, and then in here, you choose Adobe Analytics. Once you choose Adobe Analytics, it will automatically ask you for the tool name, and let's say Adobe Analytics. Pretty straightforward. And make sure it's automatically configured and use the Marketing Cloud service. Once you use that, we select the web services as the authentication method, and then we type in the web service username and the shared password. I will get you that within a second. Which is almost there. I'll get you that. Is this credentials, this is your username, and the shared secret is this. Once you've done that, update the credentials. Now that that's gone through, DTM will now connect with Adobe Analytics to make sure some of the reporting data is available for you. And in here, you'll need to choose your reporting suite. For our case, we will be using L3840, and the staging reporting suite is the same. If you want to change it to be a different one, feel free to do so. And then once you've done that, there's a few things which we still need to configure. So first things is making sure your currency is set, and character set is also defined. You'll be using UTF-8 for your character set and the currency code as US dollars, not Australian dollars, USD. Once you've done that, the track server needs to be specified. The tracking server is this, for our labs. Once you've done that, next we go into the page views and content section. In the page views section, we have configured a data element already called page name. You just want to use that. Make sure you use that and then configure that. And then the next section is to basically customize the page code. Go into that and then open the editor. The reason we are doing this is because we will be using the publisher, which will have 4503 as the suffix. So we want to remove this. So to do that, it's a pretty, not remove this. Press save and close. There you go. Now that configures your analytics. Save changes. And you're done. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.